It's the end of 2020 and I'm so excited that this year is over. But to kind of like commemorate the year, I am going to be sharing my top favorite projects from 2020. This is going to be fun, taking like a walk down memory lane when it comes to all of the projects that we have conquered in 2020.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips. My top 6 videos of 2020. Number 6 is how to organize your kitchen utensils in under 10 minutes. I love this video because it is such an easy win for you to get your kitchen utensils organized, and I think that's the reason why you like it too. My number 5 video is how to think like a professional organizer when decluttering your house. I know you guys love these videos because they help you get in the right mindset in order to declutter your home. And who doesn't want a home with less clutter, right? Number 4 is how to live with messy people. I love this video because I get asked this so many times. How do you live with somebody who's messy? What do you do when a family member just won't stay organized? These tips are so helpful to keep everyone in the house organized. Number 3 is how to organize a side-by-side fridge. This one I think you guys love because you love peeking in people's fridges, right? I mean, who doesn't want to see what people are eating? Well, but also to keep fridge and freezer organized is such a game changer, and it will save you so much money in the long run when you actually see what you have versus just throwing everything in there and stuff getting stale or moldy or worse, like ruining your fridge. I will be the first to say that I have seen this happen in far too many homes, and so I don't want you to do the same thing there. Number 2 video is the Organized Kids How to Make a Bed. This video is probably one of my favorites too because it's such a simple thing for the kids to do, but it's like so life-changing for you as the parent when you don't have to make the kids' bed. So that's why I think this one made it to the top list. And my number 1 video for 2020 is how to make vinyl labels with the Silhouette Cameo. I honestly think this video was number 1 because of all of the labels and things that you see online, and you just know that labels in and of themselves are just gonna like be life-changing for you, right? Like when it comes time to finishing any organizing project, I always say label. And using the Silhouette Cameo to create vinyl labels is just going to be a nice touch to the labels. Now, you don't always have to use vinyl labels, but I personally love them because they just finish the look. Those were my top 6 videos of 2020. And I cannot wait to start sharing more videos with you in 2021. I'll see you in January.
Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.